bought a very cheap e46, and one of the things that you'll notice is the lamp here. It's actually held in by duct tape, and I was able to align it and was able to make it secure. It's an aftermarket one, so it doesn't fit correctly. And then the other thing that I noticed is the cover here missing, and this one has a puncture, so it doesn't really affect driving, but I might get a code for this. And we got the missing kidney here, missing kidney grill, and something going on this side. I don't know yet, I have to check. So I got some minor fender bender on this section, and the interior is not that bad. Seats are really bad on the driver's side, and this one is also like in really bad shape due to age. You could tell that it's lady driven because of the bling here. And yeah, the back side is also bad. There's no cover in here. The seats are a little bit worn out, and the speakers there, I think they have aftermarket speakers. Yep, they put in aftermarket speakers. And got this missing over here. I just posted I put a new emblem here. Same thing goes here, in both window regulators on the rear are bad. So those are the duct tape fixes everything. So the car actually drives fine. I think when you start it, there's like a yellow oil lamp indicator that shows up. Oh, it didn't show up now because I put in oil. It's been like low oil when I first bought it in the parking lot, and the speakers for this are busted, so the rears are the only one working, and we got some missing stuff in here. And then they took away the cloth. Actually, it looks better without the cloth. Yep, same thing with that one, and also the back one. The headliner is sagging too. So the engine is actually not that bad. Drove it for an hour. So typical usage in here. It needs an oil change. But of the clunking noise. See that bushing out there? That's the control arm bushing. Yep, really bad. We got some wire in here. I don't know where it's coming from. Huh. It's over there. So I don't know where that wire leads to. This side is also the same story. Yep, control arm bushings are bad. Removing this one, this hose, so I need to unclamp it. Test this too. This hose is really soft and really bad. What kind of a hose is this? It's really mushy. I'm gonna transfer this clump into this one and put it there. New hoses. Removing the seats now. Actually, I did remove them. So it got like 2 nuts and 2 bolts. So these are the connection and some of the junk in here. Yep. So my replacement seat has some extra wires in here. I think this might be power for the lumbar, I guess. This green and another ground. Yep, I'm just checking if they're the same. So they're the same. It's just that the replacement seat that I have has this lumbar in here. This one doesn't have any. So I'm going to remove the or replace the steering wheel at the same time, and it's a T30. So I'm going to look for the T30 slot in here and loosen it. Basically, you have to remove the airbag, and then once you have the airbag out, you can take out the steering wheel. So I got the steering bag or the airbag removed now. These are the 2 screws that hold it in, but they actually don't come out. Yep. And there's that 16mm bolt that you need to take out. So I'm gonna remove or disconnect the wire. Just 2 of them. Out there. And time to take out this 16mm bolt with an impact. Take it out with an impact. Yep. There you go. And then just slowly push it out. Should be able to slowly wiggling it out. Yep. And there you go. It's out. And I'll compare it with my replacement one. See, this one has cracks in it. Yep. So I need to clean this replacement. And yep, same holes. No difference at all, except that this one is pristine. The other one is really cracked. Okay, remove this seat easily because there's no steering wheel in here. Everything installed now. The car looks very decent now with not ripped driver's seat and steering wheel that looks actually pretty good. So I still have a few things to handle on this car, but so far it looks good now.